Hi guys, this is Greg Kozmikowski with the Rust Video XPression team, and today we're going to take a look at some of my favorite workflow tools in XPression, the multi-select tools, which will allow you to perfectly align objects or distribute objects evenly. So we're inside of XPression Studio here, and I've created a simple scene, and I have a couple quads on there. I have my box number 1, and I have my box number 2. And what I'd like to be able to do is align the left edges of these objects without having to go and do any mental math. So if we look at the top toolbar of XPression, just above the viewport, we're going to notice that we have a couple buttons that are disabled at the moment. And those are our multi-select tools. Those are our alignment tools and our distribution tools. And the way we can unlock those tools and take advantage of those features is by selecting multiple objects in our object manager. So right now I have the purple bar on my box number 1, meaning that that box is in focus. And what I'd like to do is hold the control button and select box number 2. So now we have multiple objects selected, and we can see that we've unlocked our first set of multi-select tools, which is our alignment tools. So each of our alignment tools will align these objects on a different axis, either the left edge, the right edge, the top edge, the bottom edge, or the object centers either vertically or horizontally. So because I have these two objects selected here, when I hit this Align Left Edges button, what's going to happen is my box number 2 is going to move and align its left edge with box number 1, because box number 1 is the top item that is selected in my object manager. So we can see that that is perfectly aligned the left edges of those two items. So I'm going to move that box number 2 again. I'm going to go back and select box 1 and box number 2. And we're going to test out a different alignment tool. So this time we're going to align the top edges. So again, as soon as I've done that, we can see how quick and easy it is to perfectly align multiple objects at the same time. So the next thing we're going to look at is distribution tools. So we first looked at alignment tools to align either specific edges or object centers, but the next thing we're going to do is see how we can distribute objects evenly. So to unlock our final two multi-select tools, our distribution tools, we need to select not 2, but 3 or more objects. So I'm going to unhide my box number 3, and I'm going to select box 1, 2, and 3. And we can see that my final two multi-select tools have been enabled. So I'm going to get rid of this evenness here. Again, I'm going to select box 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to test out the Distribute Objects Vertically button. So we can see that I've done that. It has taken the value of my top box, the value of the bottom item in my object manager, and it's distributed the middle object evenly between the top and bottom object in my object manager. So again, with those 3 items selected, I'm going to hit the Distribute Objects Horizontally button, and we're going to see the spacing in between these two boxes, these two quads, even itself out. So as we can see, multi-select tools are a very fast way to be able to align and evenly distribute objects in your XPression scene. Thanks for watching, guys.